Most people experiencing our court system feel unseen, they don't understand the process, and it creates this sense of distrust between the community and the court. I didn't realize that I was practicing procedural justice. I just went into court and decided that I was going to treat everyone like the human beings that they were. I understood that if we saw people as individual cases that were unique, not only could I resolve that case, but I could also increase the chances that they wouldn't come back with another case. When people felt that they were heard, that they were treated fairly, with dignity and respect by the justice system, they began to trust the system, and then they were willing to allow you to help them.
When I first came into your courtroom, you were different. You asked me how I was doing. You explained everything as far as what was going on with my case. I felt like I was being helped.
People who end up in the criminal justice system, they almost grow accustomed to going to jail because they know they don't have money to pay bail. So if a homeless person gets a ticket for sleeping outside, which we know they can't pay, it puts them in this cycle of arrest for non-payment, arrest for not showing up to court. That one person can go to jail multiple times on one case. So it's this idea that we keep people in this cycle of incarceration.
I thought that I was going to be going to jail. When I got enrolled into the program, I had community service, and then 2 days I had to go meet with a social worker. She helped me get back into school.
I was fortunate enough that we had a community court that would allow alternative sentencing. This meant that a person who would otherwise get jail now received community service, counseling sessions, mental health services. And so partnering this assistance piece with punishment of community service, where they were actually paying back in the community that they harmed, changed the delivery of justice. You're addressing the underlying reasons why they offend, therefore taking them out of this cycle of incarceration.
You made me write an essay on how good and bad choices could affect your life. I remember reading this essay in the courtroom, and then at the end, hearing everybody clap. It felt like, I don't even know if words could explain this.
I would sometimes tell defendants, I'm so proud of you. And when they would say, Judge, I'm proud of myself, I thought, wow, what a new emotion, what a new experience to feel pride in yourself. I saw them as they should be, and now they see themselves. And when they see themselves, it changes everything.